So, hello everyone. Let me know if I am live and then we can start with the session. So, if I am audible and visible to you, then please let me know. And today's class is going to be very important. So, we are going to cover the important question from the reasoning and that too of TCS level. Okay. So, please let me know if I am audible and visible, and also we will be solving the question with the help of timer. So let me just, bring the timer for you. Okay, fine. So please let me know. Okay, so I'm visible also or only audible? Very good afternoon, all of you. So suddenly the classes was to kept in afternoon because I was little busy in evening with the classes, right? So with the paid classes which is going on. Okay, fine. So for everyone, please let me know if I am audible and visible to you, and quickly like the session so that we can start it off. And also, please do like the session and bring your friends, call your friends so that they will be also able to utilize this opportunity. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, so everyone, please join fast so we can start with the session. Okay, so we have almost 53 people here. So very good afternoon once again, all of you. And today's session is going to be very interesting for all of you. Trust me. So you will definitely enjoy a lot at the end of the session, and all the questions, right? So are of TCS level. Okay. So you will be definitely going to solve the similar level of the question. Okay, now let us start with question number one without wasting our time, and the timer starts now. So the question number one is a question from coding and decoding. So in a certain code language, Sage is coded as -8, right? Tabs is coded as 0. What is the code for verb in that code language? So let me know what is the answer, and let's see who is able to solve. So in a certain code language, Sage is coded as -8, Tabs is coded as 0. Then what is the code for verb in that code language? You have another 30 seconds to solve. Option D. Somebody has given option D. What about others? Guys, everyone please try to solve. Think that this is actual TCS exam which is happening here. Right? So tell me the answer fast, quickly. Another 8 second. So in a certain code language, says is coded as -8, tabs is coded as 0. What is the code for verb in that code language? Now, so I am going to solve. 1 minute is over, right? Okay. So why that option is not coming? Just a minute. Yeah, now it is there. So in a certain code language, Sage is coded as -8, right? So friends, always this kind of question, no, the first thing which you have to write the position of the letter, and you should be very careful, or you should know the tricks how you can write the code for that particular alphabets, right? So S code is 19. So you see S is right like this. Now if you close this, then it will be 9. So S is nothing but 19. A is 1. What is the code for G? So G. So G looks like 7. If you'll try to see here, G looks like 7. So 7 here. E. E is nothing but 5, right? So EJOT. So that trick I will teach you in the TCS crash course. EJOT. E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 20, 25, right? 25. Now, so it is coded as -8. So what basically is happening, that we will try to understand. So 19 plus 1 is 20, and 7 plus 5 is 12, right? So basically this from 12 they are subtracting 20, so we are getting -8. So this is a different kind of question, and TCS level will be always like that only. So we have to solve only TCS level of question so that you will be able to score more in examination. Kindly like the session if you feel that this is going to be useful. Now T20, right? So T20 match. A is the first letter, B is the second letter, S. So if you close this, S looks like 9, so 19. Now what you have to do? So 19 plus 2 is 21, and 21 minus 21 is 0. And then they have asked you the code for the word verb. Okay, so V. So we have 2 points here. So V is 22, E is 5, R. So R looks like this 18, right? 8. So R is 18 and B is second letter. Now combine this two, combine this two. So 20 minus 18 plus 2 is 20 and 22 plus 5 is 27. That means minus 7 will be the correct answer, option B. And only Souvik had given the correct answer, right? Only Souvik had given the correct answer. So now I think it should be clear for everyone. Please let me know in the comment section if it is clear for everyone, and then only we will move to the next problem, right? Because I wanted you to understand each and every one. I wanted you to understand each and every problem, right? And the level of the question is very, very good. Minus 7. That means option B is the correct answer for this particular problem. And if you understand, then please do like it, okay? So this is the basically the positions of the alphabet. So A is the first alphabet, B is the second alphabet, C is the third alphabet, D is the fourth alphabet, right? And Z is the 26th alphabet. But in the exam, you should know the trick, that how you are going to keep this thing in mind. That is very, very important, okay? So all these questions should be done in the 30 seconds, right? Okay. Now, yes, these classes will be uploaded on channel. Don't worry, Mihir. Okay. Verb. So what is the position for V? So somebody is asking to explain once again. So please see. So what is the position of V? V is 22, E is 5, R position is 18 and B position is 2. Now combine these two, combine these two. So 18 plus 2 and then subtract 22 plus 5, 22 plus 5. So 20 minus 27, it will be minus 7, right? So that's how we got the code for, that's why we got the code for minus 7, because Sage is coded as minus 8. Because Sage is coded as minus 8, so we were trying to find out the logic. So definitely we have to subtract from right to left, right? So first rightmost combination and then minus leftmost combination. That's the reason we are getting the minus value, right? So is it clear? Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone, my dear friends? So type this alphabet numbers chart for the reasoning to understand the code. Okay. Now question number 2. So in a certain code language, virtue is written as BNX, right? Then they are asking you what will be the code for ominous, right? Okay. Now I will give you 1 minute of the time. So let us start now. Okay. So we have another 1 minute to solve. Please. Very good. Thank you. Please do like the session. So please do like the session if you think that you are able to understand. Okay. Now, fine. So, sir, TCS crash course is helpful for TCS NQT paid exam. Yes, TCS crash course is helpful for any examination which you are going to write. Now, so in a certain code language, virtue is written as DBZBNX. How will ominous be written in that language? Okay. So somebody is telling option V, very good. So we have to find out, right? So we have to find out what is the logic. Sindhura is telling option B. Priyadarshini is telling option B. We will see what is the correct answer. Okay. Now your time is almost done. Your time is up, right? Fine. No issues. So let us see other people why you have not done. Okay. So the first thing is you need to know, right? Or you need to learn the code, right? The position of the alphabet. So V, you see how many points are there? 2. So 22. D is what? Fourth. A, B, C, D. I. So I looks like 9. Okay. I looks like 9. So this is 9. B is 2. R, if you close this, it will become 8. So R is 18. Z is the last letter, 26. T20, right? T20 match. B is the second letter. U, under 21, if you are under 21, solve this question. N, November 14th, Children's Day, 14th. E is the fifth letter. X, so X is having 4 points, 1 2 3 4. So this will be 24, right? So one by one you please try to understand. Okay, fine. Now if we'll see, so V, so what is the so V, 22, right? So 22, how much you will add? So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 4, 8. So if you add 8 here, you will be getting D. Okay, I. So I 9 to 2, that means you are subtracting 7. Let us try to understand the logic here. R, 18 plus 8 is 26. T, so 20 plus 6, 26 plus 2 plus 8. U, so 21 minus 17, 7 is 14. E, so 5 and 5, E is 5 and X is 24, right? So 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 will be nothing but 24. Now, so here what you have to understand is, so if you have any consonant, right? So consonant, so if you have any consonant, then you are going to do plus 8, and if you have any vowels, then you are going to do minus 7. Okay, now, so O is what? O is 15, ijo T. M is what? 13. Now if you have any vowels, then you have to subtract 7. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. 8 is nothing but H. 8 is nothing but H. And then we have consonant. So M, consonant, if there is a consonant, add plus 8. So 13 plus 8 will be 21. 21 is U. So your answer will be HU, right? So HU. So you do not have to calculate everything. You need to see the options, right? So you need to see the options and then you have to solve it, right? So only two letters is giving you the answer. So no need to calculate for all those things. But the logic is quite impressive here. So if you have any consonant, then what you have to do? Then you have to add plus 8. And if you have any vowels, then you have to add minus, then you have to basically do minus 7. Now please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Okay. So please let me know if it is, sir, I am able, you understand your English, but ma'am's English not getting. So ma'am's English not getting, which ma'am? So is this coding class, or see, we are right now doing lot of live classes. I will show you. So we are doing lot of live classes now. So already verbal ability class. So tomorrow at 8 p.m. we have the verbal ability class. Today at 8 p.m. we have the TCS coding class. Already reasoning classes is going on. Yesterday night we had the coding class, right? Again we had the verbal ability class, aptitude class, and then aptitude class. So we are doing lot of free live classes for you. So please do join on daily basis, and then you will be able to utilize the things here, right? Okay, now please tell me if this question is clear to you. So please tell me if this question is clear to you, and then we can start with the new problem, right? So everyone, can you please like the session? Can you please like the session? We are really putting a lot of effort, and I wanted you to write. So at least like the session so that we will understand you guys are liking the classes. Sir, your paid courses also have live classes. This is live classes for the course 2, or you conduct. So separate classes for paid classes, paid courses are getting conducted. I will tell you after this problem. Okay. Now, so question number 3, and your time starts now. So there are 5 rods K, L, M, N and O. The weight of O is twice L. The weight of L is equals to the weights of K and M together. The weight of M is twice the weight of K. The weight of N is 3 times the weight of M. If the weight of 9 is 90 kg, what will be the weight of O, right? So thank you guys for liking the session, and definitely it motivates a lot to bring more and more session for you guys. And trust me, whatever we are doing TCS level question. So definitely after your exam you'll realize that online study for you had put a lot of effort. Kumar Aditya, very good afternoon, sir. All of you, see, you all of you are definitely giving me a lot of energy, and that's the reason I'm able to speak for longer duration of the time. Okay, now, so there are 5 rods K, L, M, N, O. The weight of O, so I did not get any answer in 1 minute. Okay, fine. So there are 5 rods K, L, M, N and O. Now they are telling the weight of O is, the weight of O is twice the weight of L. The weight of L is equals to weight of K plus M. Okay, no problem. And the weight of M is twice the weight of K. Okay, and the weight of N is 3 times the weight of M. No problem. Okay, if the weight of N is 90 kg, right? So let us take equation 4. So n is equals to 3m, and they are telling weight of n is 90 kg. So n is 90 is equals to 3m. So this is 30 times. That means we got m is equals to 30. Okay, fine. Now again put the value of m in equation 3. So m is equals to 2k. M is 30 here is equals to 2k. So k will be equal to 30 by 2, 15. So we got the value of k is equals to 15, right? Okay. I hope it is clear till here. Now let's see. L is equals to k plus m. So we have m and we have k. So L will be equal to 30 plus 15, which is nothing but 45. And then they are asking, so what will be the weight of O? So weight of O will be 2L. So it is 2 into 45. That is nothing but 90, right? So friends, in exam, no, you don't have to get afraid by seeing the question. Like what they have, see, most of the students know, they will read the question twice, thrice, and they will get confused. Whatever question it is, please try to attempt and practice it before the examination, right? So before your exam you have to practice. Please let me know in the comment section if it is clear. So very good, Souvik, Utkarsh, Aritik, Arpita, Priyadarshan, Shindura, Utkarsh, Arika Pandey, Kumar Aditya. Very good, guys. So see, you guys are able to solve. It's not like you are not able to solve. Balaji, Jani, Priyadarshan, right? So all of you have done it correctly. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand. Please let me know if it is clear to you, then we can move to the next question. So Nitish Raj is telling, watching this while traveling in bus, so your journey will be wonderful. So a very happy journey, Nitish. So definitely your journey will be wonderful. Okay, now, so friends, there were some questions which were coming from the student. So before we go to the next problem, right? So before I go to the next problem here, next problem starts from here. I wanted to tell you, friends, so we have launched TCS crash course, right? And all the important topics, important questions we have started solving, right? So daily live classes are happening. You all know, right? So there are a lot of topics which has been added. Now you can go and see here. So live classes, and we are covering all those things like installment based problems. You go here, so CI installment based problems, and daily live classes are happening. So in TCS crash course you will get each and everything from basics, so you don't have to worry at all. So get into TCS crash course and you can see the content. Daily live classes are happening for everything. Verbal ability live classes are happening, coding classes live classes are happening, right? So a lot of things which is happening on the platform. So please get that. And one more thing, friends, I wanted to tell you, so you can also see the live classes which is happening as part of the TCS crash course, right? So TCS crash course, every day we have class. Monday verbal ability, Tuesday coding, right? Wednesday aptitude, and this thing, Thursday coding, and Friday aptitude reasoning, and Saturday live mock test. Not only this, so we also have this WhatsApp group where we are supporting all the students for all the queries. And in the past also we have given a lot of results, like sir placed in TCS for 7 LPA, right? So placed in here prime for 9 lakhs per annum, placed in the prime 9 lakhs per annum, right? And then we have, so sir I cracked TCS prime for 9 lakhs per annum. So we have given a lot of results. That means the quality, right? So you will be definitely getting the quality. Sir, I selected for the prime role, so selected in Deloitte, selected in different company, Blue Pie, Accenture. So these courses will help you to get placed in other companies as well, right? So you see, these are all our course students. It's not like something which we are showing it to you. So the link is in description. Get enrolled today itself and solve lot of problems. WhatsApp group is there. So in WhatsApp group, so TCS NQT paid WhatsApp group we have made this time, right? So there you can put all your questions, right? So many people are already putting, chatting. I will just show you, right? So see here. So this is a WhatsApp group which we have created, and here you can see people are putting the questions and then answers. So already the group is very active, and you will be able to, and even test series and all is also shared, right? So if you go up, you can see the test series, right? So these are the questions which are getting shared and the student has to solve it. So a lot of activities with test series, each and everything we are doing in the group. Even coding problems, not only aptitude. So you can see this is the coding problems, verbal ability, everything we are doing in the WhatsApp group. So definitely it will be very useful for you, right? Okay, now so let us start with the timer. So the crash course link is in description. Okay, you can get it. And now let us start with the timer. So what is the odd term, right? So what is the odd term in the following series? We have CMQ, FPT, JTX, OIC, and UFI. Okay, fine. So coding classes, Neetu. So coding classes, no, your basics should be clear because coding is of little high level. And okay, Neetu, so what you were telling? So the aptitude classes are not good. So Neetu is telling verbal ability class was good. Verbal ability class was good. So Neetu, aptitude classes are not good. So aptitude reasoning classes are not good, Neetu. But see, that is for paid groups. I Charan ready. So that is for WhatsApp group is for paid members. It's not for like TCS crash course. So that is paid group. Okay now. So which is the odd term in the following series? And your time is up now. Somebody is telling option C, right? Option C. What about other people? So what about other people? What is the answer? CMQ, FPT, JTX, OIC, UFI. And Neetu, today also we have a coding class by Nitin sir, right? So today also we have a coding class by Nitin sir. So please attend today's session. And today we are going to solve the codes in both C++ and Java. And the timing will be 8 p.m., right? So here you can go and check out. So the live sessions which is going to happen. So today also we have coding class, TCS coding class by Nitin sir, and C++ and Java code will be there based on the latest pattern. So you see if you are able to understand today or not. Okay. Now, so now again what you do, you you write the alphabetical position. So C is 3, C is 3, M is 13, okay, M is 13, P is 17, okay. See M, if you write M like this, if you write M like this, it will be 3, 13, Q. So Prince, if Prince is 16, then Queen will be 17. That's how you have to remember. F is fix, fix means 6. So F will be 6, P will be Prince 16, T 20, J Ejoti, EJOTY 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So J will be 10 here, okay, J will be 10 here, T will be 20 and X will be 22, right? Okay, O. So Ejoti, O will be 15 and Y will be 25 and C will be 3. U under 21, F fix 6, I 9. Okay, so first write out the position of the alphabet, and after that you try to visualize, you will be able to understand. So now this, if you'll see, this is 10 and this is 4, this is 10 and this is 4, this is 10, sorry, X is 24, I'm sorry, so this is 4, and then this is 10, 25, this is 4. But here if you'll see, 21 plus 5 is 26, 5 plus 6 11, this is 11 and this is 3. So now you know who is the culprit. So the culprit is UFI. So the culprit is UFI, right? So the culprit is UFI. So your answer will be option D, right? So this course is useful for all other company. Yes, this course is useful for all the company examination, not only for this, right? So is it clear for everyone? The answer will be option D. Now, if you understood, please comment below fast. Please comment below fast so we can move to the next problem. And if you have any doubt, please ask. And are you liking the video? See, nobody likes the video here. Can you please like the video? Nobody likes the video. See, we are putting so much of effort in organizing the session for you. If you are understanding, please do like a video. If you're not understanding, ask me, sir, can you please repeat, sir, from where this 11 came, from where this 4 came, from where this 9 came. So all these questions you can ask, right? So this is a wonderful question which I am going to give it to you, and let us set the timer here. So let me set the timer and then see how many of you are able to solve. So this is a very good question, and this is a question which was asked in TCS examination, right? Okay, so your timer starts now. Okay, so among 5 objects P, Q, R, S and T, right? So among 5 objects P, Q, R, S and T, R is twice as heavy as T. Okay, S is 1.5 times as heavy as Q. Q and R together weighs as much as S and T together. P and S together are 1.5 times as heavy as Q and S together, Q and T together. Which among the five is heaviest of all? A wonderful question. Please try it out. Okay. Thanks, Harshal. Thanks a lot, man. So Harshal said, "Sir, I like all your videos." So thanks a lot. Okay. See, basically, if you like the video, if you comment, we think that you are enjoying the session, you like the session, and based on that, we continue more and more sessions, right? Okay. Now, so let us see how can we solve this. Question number 5. And please watch the session till the end because we are going to solve some question based on cubes, right? Where lot of confusion will be there for the student. Okay. So I want you to solve the watch the video till the end. Among five object P, Q, R, S, and T, R is twice as heavy as T. Okay. So R is twice as heavy as T. This is my equation 1. Okay. Now, so Arpita has given some answer. S is 1.5 times. So S is 1.5 times as heavy as Q. This is my equation 2. Q and R together weighs as much as S plus T. This is my equation 3. And then P plus S together are 1.5 time as heavy as Q plus T together. See, these are the actual question which will be asked in your TCS exam. See, I cannot give you the simple question and I will tell you that you will crack TCS. No, you are a teacher only if you understand the pattern and you solve question so that a student clear the exam, not to get the views and not to get the, like a student will tell very good sir, very good, I am enjoying this session. No, you will have to deal with all kind of questions. Fine. Okay, so what we will do here, the first thing P plus S. Okay, now so Q plus R. So you see Q plus R is what? Let us take equation 3. So we will consider equation 3. So Q plus R, R is 2T. R is 2T. Okay, fine. Is equals to S plus T. So S is 1.5 Q and plus T, right? Okay. Now, so T will be equal to, right? So T will be equal to zero point 0.5 of Q. Okay. Zero point 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2 of Q. So Q will be equal to 2T. Q will be equal to 2T. Now, if you put in equation 2, if you put in equation 2, so S is equals to 1.5 into Q. Q is 2T. So S will be equal to 3T. So I will write down here Q is equals to 2T, R is equals to 2T, and S is equals to 3T. So now we know that S is the heaviest one till now. Okay. Now we have to establish one more relation with P and S. Okay. So P plus S. S is equals to what? 3T. So P plus S 3T is equals to 1.5 into Q. Q is what? Q is 2T. Now we have taken equation 4. So Q is equals to 2T plus T. So this will become P plus 3T will be equal to, so 1.5 into 2 plus 1 3T. So P plus 3T will be equal to 4.5T. So P will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is nothing but 1.5T. So P is nothing but equal to 1.5T, right? Now, can you tell me who is heaviest? So definitely S is heaviest, right? Because S is, see, if T is 10, suppose if T is 10, then Q will be what? 20, R will be what? 20, T will be what? 30, and P will be what? 15. So who is the heaviest? So S is the heaviest one, and none of you have given the correct answer. And definitely this was a wonderful question which was asked in the, right? So which was asked in the examination, right? So definitely S, right? So definitely S is the heaviest. S is the heaviest one, and this was what was asked in this particular question, right? Is it clear for everyone? VE, RB, RB, VE. How to find out, sir? What is the meaning of that? Is it clear for everyone? Please comment that yes sir, it is clear for everyone, and I can move ahead with the next problem. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Yes, for everyone, please comment. It is a wonderful question, but takes more than a minute. No, it doesn't take more than a minute. See, it doesn't take more than a minute. See, please try to understand. I have to explain you here, right? See, if I directly write something, you will not be able to understand. So I am taking more than a minute, but you will not take more than a minute when you are solving the problem. You don't have to explain to someone. Please try to understand. You don't have to explain to someone. You have to only explain to yourself. See, somebody is telling, please explain once more. Okay, I will explain once more. See, in the question what they are telling, r is r is twice as heavy as t. I have written equation 1. S is 1.5 times of 1.5 times means 1.5 times. Okay, 1.5 times. So I have written 1.5 times as q. Q and R together is equals to S and T, equation 3, and P plus S together R. 1.5 is nothing but 1.5 into Q plus T, right? So this is my equation 4. So what I have done, all these four lines, all these four statements, I have written in terms of the equation. Till here, no one should have any doubt. Only one thing, 1.5 times is nothing but 1.5, or you can also write 3 by 2, 1.5, that means 1.5, or 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So basics should be clear, just your basics should be clear. That's all. Thanks a lot Neetu, your class is always amazing, so thanks. It's all because of you guys. Now next what I did, if you'll try to understand, so I considered equation 3. So in equation 3 I am going to put r is equals to 2t. So in equation 3 I am going to put r is equals to 2t. So q plus r is 2t is equals to s is 1.5 q plus t, because now I wanted to establish a relation between q and t. So 2t minus 1.5t is 0.5 q, right? So see, 1.5 q minus q, 0.5 q, and 2t minus t is equals to t. 0.5 is 1 by 2, so q will be equal to 2t. I hope this will be clear till here. Okay, now very good. Now next is, let us take equation 4. So p plus s, the value of s is nothing but 1.5 cube, and q is 2t. So q value I have put here 2t. So s is equals to 3t. So p plus 3t, so s is equals to 3t I have put, is equals to 1.5 into q plus t. Q is 2t plus t. So 2t plus t is 3t, 1.5 into 3t. So p plus 3t is equals to 4.5t. P will be equal to 1.5t. So p is equals to 1.5t, and then s is equals to 3t, and then q is equals to 2t, and r is equals to 2t. Now you can assume any value of t. So t I assumed 10, so q is 20, r is 20, s is 30, p is 15. Which is heavier? S is heavier, so s is our answer. Now how many people asked? Explains once more. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for all of you? Sir, you told put r is equals to 2t in 3, but you have done in 4. R is equals to, I have, see, in third I have put no r is equals to 2t. Bhai, where is who is that? Balaji. See, this is my equation third. Equation third is q plus r. R is what? 2t. So I have put 2t. S is 1.5 q plus t. Balaji, please see, sir, as s is 1 by 2 of q means 1 by 2. It's not 1 by 2, 1.5. There is a difference between, see, there is a difference between half and 1.5. Half is 1 by 2, and 1.5 is 3 by 2. That is 1.5, right? These are basic things which you have to understand. Q is heavier, Q is not heavier. Q is equals to 2t, and S is equals to 3t. So definitely S will be heavier, right? Rizu, Q is heavier than S. How Q will be heavier than S? I have told you with the data. See, if you are commenting something, where is the data? right? So all the data is there on the screen. You have to go and see. Clear? Now, I hope it is clear for everyone. See, if your basic is not good, basics of maths is not good, then it will be very very difficult for you to understand. And that's the reason I am asking all of you to join this crash course, right? See, 999 rupees is not a big amount. You have already spent 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs in college, right? But only in 999 rupees we are giving you so many things, live classes for aptitude, live classes for reasoning. Today also we have live classes for reasoning, right? And then live classes for coding, live classes for verbal ability, right? So verbal ability ma'am is teaching. So if you know, you can see verbal ability, Isa ma'am is teaching. So we are giving you a lot of things here, right? And that's how you are going to do better in the examination. And also I told you friends, see, you see our the past results, right? So you will be able to see a lot of people are placed in TCS, different examination. We are running a lot of live classes in our paid courses, so that will be sufficient. You will be definitely able to crack the exam. Anyway, now let us start with this particular question. So this is a direction sense test. Okay, this is a direction sense test. So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and X are 9 industries. R is 2 kilometer, right? So R is 2 kilometer east of Q. P is 1 kilometer to the north of Q. Okay. B is 1 kilometer to the west of Q, while S is 3 kilometer to the east of Q. U is 2 kilometer to the north of V. X is situated exactly between Q and R, while T is exactly between W and S. So what is the distance between P and Q? So now let us see how many of you are able to solve it. Come on. Please keep liking the video, my dear friends. So please do like the video so that we can plan more and more session for you. So if you want us to conduct more reasoning session, more aptitude session, more coding, or any session, then definitely please like the video and comment. We will have more session. Anyway, so now any question of direction if you want to solve, first make this basic diagram. So N, E, S and W. So this is the basic diagram of your direction. So this is the basic diagram of your direction. Clear? Okay. Now, so P, Q, R, S, T are 9 industries. R is 2 kilometer to the east of Q. So let us suppose Q is here. Okay. So 2 kilometer. So 2 kilometer east. East is in this direction. So 2 kilometer Q is here at this point, and R is 2 kilometer. R is here, and this distance is 2 kilometer. Clear? Okay, fine, no problem. Then P is 1 kilometer to the north of Q. So Q is here, north is upper, right? So north is upside. So north is upside. So now P is 1 kilometer. So we'll go up 1 kilometer. And this is nothing but P. P is 1 kilometer. So write down 1 kilometer. Done. Then W is 2 kilometer to the south of P. So P is here and south is where down. South is where down. So W is 2 kilometer from point P. So this is 1 kilometer and we will go 1 kilometer more down. So this will be my W, right? And W is total 2 kilometer. So 1 kilometer this side and 1 kilometer this side. Okay, done. Then V is 1 kilometer to the west of W. So V is 1 kilometer to the west of W. The west is this direction. Where is W? So W is here, right? Okay. Now they're telling V is 1 kilometer to the west. So V will come here, right? So V will be suppose here, and this is nothing but 1 kilometer. Done. And then while S is 3 kilometer to the east of V. So V is where? V is here, and S is 3 kilometer, okay, from the east of V. So east is in this direction. So now I will again take another pen. So this is my 3 kilometer. So 1 kilometer and plus 2 kilometer. So S will come here, and this particular distance will be 2 kilometer because total is 3. So 1 plus 2 will be 3 kilometer, right? Okay, done. Fine. And then what they are telling, U is 2 kilometer to the north of V. So U is 2 kilometer. So U is 2 kilometer from the north of V. So this is where U. Okay, fine. Now I will not go next and check. Now they're asking, so what is the distance between P and U? So U is here and P is here. And this particular distance is 1 kilometer. So my answer will become 1 kilometer. Very interesting questions from direction, and definitely you will enjoy solving this particular problem. Just keep this basic direction diagram. It will never change. It will it will never change, my dear friends. It will never change. So just keep this diagram in your mind, and then you will be able to solve any question of direction sense test. Now if it is clear, then please comment below. So please comment below that yes sir it is clear, and also do like the video if it is clear for everyone. And if you have any doubt, please ask, sir, how did you do that? Why we did not do like this, right? So the concept should be very, very clear, so that tomorrow if any question comes, okay, then you will be easily able to solve. Easy question for me. I got that right diagram. Very good, Priyadarshan. So if you are able to solve this question, means your direction topic is clear. Is it clear for everyone? Please comment, and then we can start with the next problem. Okay. Now, so a problem from the topic syllogism, okay? So a problem from the topic syllogism. So please try. Your time starts now. Very good if it is clear. Interesting question. So two statements are followed by two conclusions numbered 1 and 2. You have to consider this statement to be true. Even if this seems to be at a variance with commonly known facts, decide which of the given conclusions logically follow or follows from the given statement. A simple question from the topic direction. So Dhanesh, what you can do, you can watch this session again, okay? So instead of I go and explain once again, if you watch the session once again, right, after we complete it, then it will be clear to you. You will be able to understand it, okay? Now, so two statements are followed by two conclusions, numbered 1 and 2. You have to consider this statement to be true. So your time is up, and I am not finding any answer from anyone. Very simple question. Can you please let me know the answer? A very simple question, option C. Somebody is telling option C. Souvik Das, Kumar Aditya. Option C. Okay. Option C. So all liquids are water. So all the liquids which we have, right? All the liquids which we have is water. All the liquids which you have are water. Okay. All the liquids are water. And some solids are liquid. And some solids are liquid. And some solids are liquid. Fine. Okay. Now the question they are asking. So some water is solid. So yes, some part of water and some part of solid are crossing each other, right? So conclusion one is true. Okay. Now, so Rohit, and then Gagna, Bhargavi, no, Sindura, right? Priyadarshan, okay. So all of you have given the correct answer. Balaji, Arika Pandey, okay, Ankan, okay, Kumaraditya, Souvik. So all of you have given the correct answer. Option D is wrong. Now let us see. Some water is not liquid. So friends, from this diagram you can say, right? So if they are telling you all liquid are water. So if they are telling you all liquid are water, right? So if they are telling you all liquid are water, then you can say some liquid are water, right? So then some liquid are water, and you can also say some water are liquid, some water are liquid, okay? But when you have some positive statement already with you, then you cannot conclude any negative statement, right? See, your negative statement will come only for the possibility. In case of positive statement which is 100% true, negative statement will not come in picture. So if you say all A are B, please keep always in mind, if you say all A are B, then you can say some A are B, and you can also say some B are A, and you can also say some B are A. Only this you can say. You cannot say any negative conclusion. Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, then please let me in the comment section. And also you need to know the basics of every topic, right? And see, that's the mistake you do, and that's the reason we are also telling you, right? So join this TCS crash course, which is very very useful, right? Where everything is covered from the basics. You can go and see here, right? So aptitude, numerical ability from basics, reasoning, right? So if you go inside the reasoning, you can see the problems on, right, every topic, and also the problems on syllogism, right? So top problems on syllogism, 1 hour and 3 minutes of the video is there, right? So every topic is covered from very much basics. One video you watch and then you do not have to watch, okay? Then again in second you will see 1 hour 50 minutes of the syllogism videos are there, right? So you see, that is the reason, right? So other students are able to solve because they know how exactly they have to read. Anyway, so the crash course link will be there in the description, so you can check it out. And now with the blood relation question, we will start doing it. Okay, question number 8. So in a certain code, if a minus b, a is wife of b, a divided by b means a is brother of b, right? So I will write it like this, okay, so that you will be able to understand. So a minus b means a is wife of b, a divided by b means a is brother of b, okay, and a by this, and then this, okay. Okay, now fine. So now let us see. So now you will be able to understand and do fine. Okay, so please solve it now. So in a certain code, if a minus b is a is wife of b, a slash b you can say means a is brother of b, a plus b means a is daughter of b, a cross b means a is son of b, then which of the following expressions represent that d is the father of b, right? So this question you have to do it little smartly. Please don't solve however you want, right? So don't solve however you want. So this question we have to solve it little smartly. Now, so which of the following expressions represent that D is father of B? D is father means D will be male, right? So basically they are asking which of the diagram will tell you like this, that D is the father of B. Now, so if you see A, right? So if you see A, then D plus I. So D plus I means D is daughter. That means D will become female. So this is option A cannot be your answer. Then if you'll see option D, then D plus. D plus means D is daughter. D will become female. So option A and option D is eliminated. Now option B. So B cross D. B cross D means B is the son of D. B is the son of D. D slash, right, forward slash K means D is brother of K. That means D is brother of K, right? So from here you can clearly say that D is father of B, and that is what you wanted. So option B will become the correct answer, right? So first you need to learn how you can eliminate the options. Once you learn how we can eliminate the options, then with the remaining options, it will be very very easy for you to solve the question. So option B is the correct answer for the question number 8. If it is clear to you, please comment below that yes sir, I don't have any doubt, it is clear for me. You can move ahead with the next problem, and also don't forget to like the session so that I can arrange more and more session like this for you all. Okay, fine. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Okay, now after that question number 9. So if it is clear to you, then we can solve question number 9. Okay, so somebody is asking some question. Okay, so let me see. Just a minute, I'm unable to see the chats. Okay, fine. Now question number 9. So anyway, let us start with the timer and then see. Okay, sir, not B. You have written two B's in the diagram. So you have written two B's in the diagram. Sorry, this is K. This is K. I'm sorry. So this is K. So D is the brother of K. I'm sorry. So this was a K here. So okay, sir. But you have written to B. Yeah, so this is K. D is the brother of K. So there is a small mistake. That is understood, man. So that is not a problem. That is understood. Okay. Now, so let us move to the next problem and let us try to solve here. Sir, statement and conclusion. See, everything will be taken in the today evening at 7 p.m. I have a class in the TCS crash course. So there I will be covering various So there I'll be covering statement conclusion. Okay. So see those, if one person is not able to understand, you can watch the video later once more and then you will get the clarity. Now six different figures are drawn as shown in the figure. A paper is folded as shown in the figures to form a cube. What is the figure opposite to two circles? So now they're asking what is the figure which is opposite to this, right? So friends, basically this is a open, right? So this is an open cube, right? So there will be two kind of questions basically will be there in the cube. So there will be an open cube and there will be a closed cube, right? So this is a question from the open cube, right? So this is a question from open cube. Now in open cube, friends, what will happen? So just try to understand. So in open cube, what will happen? So always the opposite will be after a gap of this. So if you have x and if you have y, then the opposite letter of x will be nothing but after a gap. Okay. Now, so if we have like this, a, b, y. So what will be opposite of a? So opposite of a will be y. Okay. So in a open cube basically, right? So you will have to, this will be opposite letter will be nothing but the alternate one. So a paper is folded at shown in the figure to form a cube. What is the figure opposite to two circles? So two circles is this. So the opposite of two circle will be nothing but this one. So option A will become the correct answer, right? If they ask you what is the opposite of this rectangle, right? So then you have to look at after one gap. So this will be the opposite basically figure, right? If they will ask you what is the opposite of this single circle, so it will be nothing but triangle. So this is what you have to understand when you have a open cube, not a closed one, right? Okay. Next question, question number 10. So which of the following cube in the answer figure cannot be made based on the unfolded cube in a question figure, right? So when you unfold a cube, right, then what figure you will, we cannot get it here, right? So that you need to understand now. Okay, now I will tell you the simple logic for this. Now I will tell you the simple logic for this. See, this is nothing but closed one. So you forget about, now you forget, see, closed cube is this, that we will discuss later. Okay, so I'm not, see, uh we are having this, see, from basics I cannot teach, right? So if you want to understand each and everything from the basics, then you will have to join this TCS crash course, right? So there everything from the basics will be taught to you, so don't worry. So this is a closed one and this is an open cube, right? Okay, so you don't use your mind much. Now it is open. So what you have to understand is, so what you have to understand is that opposite means it will be after a gap. Okay, and one more concept you need to understand is, so when you have a open cube, right, and opposite figure cannot be adjacent, right? So opposite figure cannot be adjacent to each other. That means you please try to understand. Let us go back and see here. So now from this we cannot get a cube. So from this we cannot get a cube like this, right? So from this we cannot get a cube like this where this opposite one, no, where opposite one will be there. No, opposite one cannot be adjacent in a closed cube, right? So please try to understand. So opposite figure cannot be adjacent in a closed figure. Now if you'll see the first diagram, then we have this plus sign, right? And plus and circle will be what? Opposite to each other. Plus and circle will be what? Opposite to each other. So we cannot have a adjacent, right? So we cannot have adjacent opposite faces in a closed cube. Now here if you'll see, so star and circle, double circle and plus, so this you can form, and then circle and this, so this is not opposite, you can form, then circle circle, and then okay, so this you cannot form, right? So option A, which you are not able to form, and that will become your correct answer, right? Okay, fine. Now friends, what you can do, so you can see here, right? So this is again here, so this is not opposite, so you will be able to form. Okay, fine. Now friends, so question number 11, you please try to solve it and let me know your answer in the comment box. Okay, so let me know your answer in the comment box, and definitely in the next session of reasoning or next session of aptitude, we will be telling you here itself. So here you can see all the live session will be displayed to you. So TCS, right? So tonight we have 8 p.m. coding class by Nitin sir. The code solution will be given in C and Java both, right? And verbal ability tomorrow at 8 p.m. right? Okay. And one more thing, friends, we wanted to tell you. So we have given a lot of results, which you can see here, right? And I wanted you also to crack TCS examination. Okay. So please watch the video once more if you have any doubt. And now I have to bind up the session, right? So we will meet in the next session. Okay. Till then, please take care. All the very, very best. Okay. Fine. Bye bye. See you later in the next session. And please let me know if the session was useful. And also don't forget to comment, right? So don't forget to comment and let me know if the session was useful for you, right? So you are able to understand. Yes. So how was the session, guys? Were you able to understand? Arika, see, in last we see the in the last you have two circles, right? So one circle is nearby and one circle is nearby. So we have two, right? So one circle is nearby and one circle is nearby. So we cannot consider like this because we have two exactly similar circles, right? So please try to see this. Actually, the circle is little, the size will be differ, but here in I have taken the screenshot, so it is different. Okay, understand the logic. So everyone enjoyed the session, right? Okay, so we'll meet again in the next session, but today at 8 p.m. don't forget to join. Okay, thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.